Hello Lux family, it's your boy Jay. By the thumbnail of this video, you've probably seen this toiletry bag plenty of times before. Online, on the shops, and it could be on your wish list already. But the question that both you and I long for is, what really fits in this pouch? Let's just spill the tea, shall we? If you're subscribed to my channel and you already watch most of my videos, then you probably know all we care about is what really fits in this pouch, like snacks. And of course, I always unpack my bag instead of putting stuff in there. Just makes life so much easier. So grab your snacks and let's find out what really fits in this toiletry pouch. Like always, please remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. It means so much to me and the channel. Enough is enough. I think we should just get into what actually fits in this toiletry pouch. Now, there's so many toiletry pouches and you can see I got all of the toiletry pouch 15, 19 and 21 behind me. This one I have here is the Monogram Eclipse, and believe me, it's one of the toiletry pouches that I've always fallen in love with. It comes in two sizes. I do have, I believe, the GM, and it comes in a smaller size as well. I'll link that all down below. And seeing as flights are starting to open up slowly, we can start using our toiletry pouch. If you feel like you don't want to travel, you can always travel to the corner shop to grab more snacks to fit into that toiletry pouch. So stay tuned, sit down and let's find out what fits in there. So here we have it, the most iconic toiletry pouch there is from Louis Vuitton, aside from the Monogram one. This one is just hands-on beautiful, made so well, it's just crafted so well. The monogram is lovely, the edging of it, all the way down to the zip, it's just beautiful. The fine details in this Monogram pouch is literally amazing. I would say it's worth every single penny. Okay, enough is enough. This is not a review, this is a what fits in the bag. So let's get straight onto it. The first item I have, and I'm gonna pull them out all randomly, is my face cream. I always carry a face cream around with me in my toiletry pouch. I feel like when you got your toiletry pouch, you should put most of the stuff that you use for, like, you know, your facial stuff and the stuff that you use in the toilet, really, I guess. Next, we have another item, and this is my scrub exfoliant for my face. Really good at keeping your skin really clear and removing all that dead sebum and skin off your face. The next item I have is a comb. Everyone needs a comb in their toiletry pouch. That's really nice. Now, you can carry a brush around in here, but I feel like most guys use one of these. Obviously, I don't have a lot of hair on me, so I tend to either carry this one, or if I grow my hair out, I carry my red brush, the one that you've seen in my previous videos. The next one I have is an eye roll pen, which is for men. Of course, if you got the ladies one, they're even good as well. But this is the L'Oreal one that I always use when I've had a night out or I just feel really tired. I just put this on my eyes. Just generally just use it any day and every day, to be honest with you. The next item I always carry around in an emergency, and if you've seen my other videos, you know that I always carry some sweet curry sauce from McDonald's around. If you ain't tried this already from the UK, then believe me, you are missing out, because I always carry this around, and when I'll be leaving London, I'll be taking plenty of these with me. Okay, for something a bit more serious is a face mist as well that I carry. Always carry one around. This is like an everyday item for me where I just spritz it on my face. So there's plenty of room for this inside. Now, I just want to pause it right there. I want to say that this bag, how I use it, it's not even full. So technically you can actually put more stuff in here, or stuff that you actually want. Like I said in my previous videos before, if you don't want to have a face mist in there and you can swap it out for something else, then you can. You know, it just creates so much room and so much space inside of the toiletry pouch. I'm going to show you a lot of the inside later on how I have everything in there, and you probably will get a good look on how you can see extra room is available in this actual toiletry pouch. For the price of this item, compared to the other items, you get so much for your money. Now I'm going to carry on and let you know what else I got in this toiletry pouch. I also got a face mask, because if I do travel away, I always love doing a face mask. It just makes me feel so bougie, and just helps with my skin routine as well. Another item I say to always carry around is a spot cream. Now, all them times that you're panicking, stressing about how to spend that coin, you know, you always end up worrying and stressing about that sort of stuff, don't you? So you end up with spots, and clearly I always carry this spot cream with me. Another thing I carry around with me is my hair conditioner. I don't tend to use ones from the hotels just because I don't know what ones they are. But if I do stay at like a bougie ass hotel, then they always offer really good free samples. So I always grab some of them. And this is one I actually grabbed, which is the Byredo, if I'm saying that right. This is the hair conditioner, so I always carry around 1 or 2 of these with me. Damn, this is getting really tiring. You can fit a lot, like I said. I'm just gonna go through the next items. The next item is a razor. You always got to carry one around with you just so you're looking on point all the time. I got Carmex to keep them lips moist because everyone needs moist lips in their life. With the last video, I got a lot of comments from my Lux family saying, well, where the hell are your snacks? You know, we only came here for the snacks. Well, in my last video, I ate them before I even started recording because I was that stressed. So now, don't worry, I came prepared, came with many, and yes, I have my Kinder Bueno in here. Now, you always got to carry around an emergency snack because, believe me, like me, always, my blood sugar gets low and I need to boost it up with a bit of snacks. But Lux family, that is not all I have for you. You know I always carry some alcohol around with me. So, in the form of something edible, I present to you my little champagne chocolate snack. Yes, it comes in a little sweet form shape. So yeah, I'm not missing out on my liqueur. Of course, we need some clean hands when we're eating our snacks, so I always carry some sanitizer around with me. If you don't, then that's down to you. You carry on eating, you carry on getting them germs in your mouth, but me, no, sanitizer it is. The next item, clearly I have too many of these items and I always end up carrying one around with me. I got my pocket organizer just for an emergency. I carry some cards, my details around in there, just so I know it's all in one bag. Just makes life a lot easier. I also got in here my coin purse, which is the damier one. I'll link that down in the description below. Just carry my loose change in here. Any extra change that I have left over, I put in here and put in my travel pouch. So for the next item I carry around in here is my lovely, and I mean lovely, let me try and get it out, my Ombre Nomade perfume. Now, Louis Vuitton have actually made little strings in here, well I would say hoops in here, that you can fit your beautiful fragrances in. They fit nice and snug and really nice. I will give you a little glimpse of that in a second. Last but not least, I have my favorite item of all on here. It means quite a lot and also fills me right up. Let's just take it out, shall we? Yes, honey, my coins. My chocolate coins. Now, on this channel, we're all about saving our coin because saving your coin gets you this. And believe me, eating this also higher my blood sugar. So yes, always carry around a few chocolate coins. And if they're not your real coins, then make sure they're your chocolate coins. So there you have it, my Lux family. What fits in the toiletry pouch in the Monogram Eclipse. Now, believe me, you've seen this video and believe me, it fits a lot in here. This is a great item for traveling abroad, and this is the bigger size. So if you feel like this is too big for what you need, they always have the smaller size available in it. I'm going to fill it all back up and I'm going to show the Lux family. There was still room in here to get your stuff in. So you can see the Lux family, there's plenty of space in here, and you can also see where the perfume sits. Now I don't want to open it up too much in case it all falls out, but come on, there's still so much more space in there. I'm also going to zip it up to show you as well, but I've got literally everything in here. Some stuff you can take out and add extra stuff in, but for me personally, I can fit another shaver in here. I feel electric shaver, the mini ones, and still have plenty of room. Really nice, and I really love this Monogram Eclipse pouch. Here it is, just me zipping it up. You can see that there's still space inside, which is amazing for me personally, because Louis Vuitton, they always make their items like thin and you can never get anything in it. But this one, look how thick it is. It's just lovely. So there you have it, Lux family, what fits in the Monogram Eclipse toiletry pouch. Now remember, there's 2 sizes. What size fits you, only you know. Personally, I always go with the bigger one, because there's times where you want to bring stuff back from traveling, or you want to take extra stuff and you end up having to use 2 bags instead. So this big one's really perfect. I hope you really enjoyed that video. If you want to know what fits in there that you have, then leave a comment down below and I'll be able to check for you. Of course, if I have the item. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, give a big thumbs up, and also leave a comment down below. Remember to stay safe. Peace.